Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the CangLong modern faux leather dining chairs. If you're in the market for new chairs for your kitchen or dining room, then look no further. These chairs are not only stylish and modern, but they also feature an ergonomic back design for maximum comfort. The Faux cushion seat and back are not only elegant, but they are also waterproof and easy to clean. The versatile usage of these chairs makes them perfect for any room in your home. Whether it's the dining room, guest room, living room, or kitchen, these chairs will fit right in. And the best part? These chairs are super easy to assemble, saving you time and energy. Plus, the excellent customer service provided by CangLong ensures that you have worry-free quality assurance and friendly support. So why wait? Click on the link in the description below to get your hands on the CangLong modern faux leather dining chairs today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing home decor reviews. Thanks for watching.